everybody.
Hi.
Emily Parker here, and I'm here with Paige from Fairway.
Hi.
So we are wanting to talk a little bit about how to buy a home.
Absolutely.
Yes. So step one, what happens whenever you want to buy a home? Usually, the honest truth is that you will reach out to me via text, messenger, call me, however you want to get in touch. And I'm going to ask you, have you went through the pre-approval process yet? And if you said no, this is whenever I will send you over to my great lender, Paige. So,
absolutely. That handoff is pretty warm because Emily and I work together, and we kind of know how each other works. We're good communicators together, so it kind of makes it a seamless process for you to work with people who are referral partners that work together often. So it's super helpful in the transaction to have people who are comfortable working together.
right.
So basically, when you come to me, I'm just going to have a quick conversation about what your dreams and goals are, what you're thinking about for your family, maybe a brief overview of general products and things like that. But really, until we have an application, there's no way to know where we are, and there's no way for you to have a budget of what to do. So, we just start there. And I think a lot of times people are afraid to apply because they think they're not ready.
They're not going to get it.
Right. And my job is not to judge. My job is to help. Right. So say we have some credit things to work on. Say we need to save a little bit more money, or, hey, maybe your dreams and goals are outside of your budget. Right?
Champagne's based on the beer budget. We'll get to that one another day.
So, but this is a good kind of reality check to really see what's out there. One of my biggest driving factors is, what's your payment comfort zone? I mean, nobody wants to be house poor.
Right.
And just because you qualify for this house does not mean that your lifestyle is going to go with that.
That is something to